My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In last lecture, we studied about Pascal triangle. In Pascal triangle, we formed a triangle like this. Pascal triangle. In first row, two coefficients were there, 1, 1. In the second row here, 1 and 1, then 1 plus 1, 2. In the third row was here 1 and 1, then here 1 plus 2, 3, here 2 plus 1, 3. Again we will write here the first one and the last one, 1, 1, then 1 plus 3, 4, here 3 plus 3, 6, and 3 plus 1, 4. In this way we found the triangle. This was the Pascal triangle, okay, in the last lecture. Today we will apply this triangle in different type of problems. Okay, now we are going to start exercise 11.1. In exercise 11.1, first question here is question number 1. Write down the 6th and the 7th row of the Pascal triangle. 6th and the 7th row of the Pascal triangle. As this is the 4th row, then for 5th row, for 6th row, and for 7th row. 7th row, this one. Now we can complete this one. 1 plus 4 is 5, 6 plus 4, 10, here 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 1, 5, here 5 plus 1 is 6, 10 plus 5, 15, 10 plus 10 is 20, then 10 plus 5 is 15, and here 5 plus 1 is 6. Then in the 7th row, this is the 6th row. Sixth row is this one. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 7th row here is, as in the question, is talking about these two rows, 6th row and 7th row. Here is 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, 15 plus 6 is 21, 20 plus 15 is 35, here 20 plus 15 is again 35, 15 plus 6 is 21, and 6 plus 1 is 7. This is the 7th row. Now we'll start the next question, question number 2. In question number 2, question 2. What is in question number 2? Use the Pascal triangle to find the expansion of, first part here is 1 plus x whole cube. 1 plus x whole cube. In the expansion of this one, as here index is 3. First of all, we will mention here the index. Index is 3. Then we will expand here this one. In the expansion of this one, here will be, we will write this first and the second term in the product. And how many times? If index is 3, we will write 4 times. Okay, number of terms will be 1 more than the index. number of terms in the binomial expansion always one more than the index. If index is 3, then number of terms will be 4. If index is 4, number of terms will be 5, like this. First of all, we will write here in the product. Plus again 1 into x, 1 into x, plus again here will be 1 into x, then plus again here will be 1 into x. Now we'll start the exponent here, the index here from 3, then we'll decrease 1 in successive term, 2, 1, 0, and index of b, mean the second term, will increase. We'll start from 0, then here 1, then 2, here will be 3. Now the next thing here is the coefficient of these terms. As index here is 3, we will use the third row. Third row you can see here. Third row here is this one. This is the third row. This one is third row. Here coefficients are 1, 3, 3, 1. Then we will place here 1, 3, 3, and 1. These are the coefficient of these terms. Now we'll simplify here. X raised to the power 0, 1. This is also 1. This is also 1. Then the first term will be 1. Then the next term is coming 3x. After simplification is coming 3x. Then after that 3x square, and the last term will be x cube. This is the expansion. Now we'll do the last part of this question. Last part is part L. Part L here is x square minus 1 divided by 2x cube whole cube. X square minus 1 divided by 2x cube whole cube. Now in the expansion of this one, first of all we will write here the index. Index is equal to 3. Then in the expansion, first of all we will write the product of both the terms 4 times. As index 3, then total number of terms will be 4. Here is x square into minus 1 divided by 2x cube plus again x square into minus 1 divided by 2x cube plus again x square into minus 1 divided by 2x cube. This is the third term. Then plus again x square into minus 1 divided by 2x cube. Now we'll place here the exponent. Index is 3. We will start here the index 3. Then here will be 2. On the first term here will be 1. And here 0. And on the second term, in on B, we will start from 0 and will increase gradually by 1. Here will be 1, here 2, and here will be 3. Now we'll write here the coefficients of these terms. How we can write the coefficient? As here is index 3, then we will use the third row of the Pascal triangle. As in the first part also the third row of the Pascal triangle was there, and third row of Pascal triangle will be 1, 3, 3, 1. This is the third row of the Pascal triangle. Here then we will place these coefficients 1, 3, 3, 1. Now we'll simplify. How we can simplify here? This is x square whole cube will be x raised to the power 6. Here anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Plus in this term, this minus into plus is minus. 3 as it is divided by 2 as it is. Here x square all square x raised to the power 4. X raised to the power 4 divided by this x cube will be only x. Then this 3 as it is plus 3 as it is divided by, here this minus square will be plus and 2 square is 4, divided by 4. Here is x square divided by this x cube all square is x raised to the power 6. X square divided by x raised to the power 6. X square divided by x raised to the power 6 will be in denominator x raised to the power 4. Here will be x raised to the power 4. Then after that, in the last term, this x square raised to the power 0 will be 1. This is 1. Then here minus 1 cube is minus 1. Here will be minus 1. And then 1 cube is 1 here, divided by 2 cube is 8, and x cube whole cube will be x raised to the power 9. This is x cube and whole cube will be x raised to the power 9. This is the expansion of x square minus 1 divided by 2x cube whole cube. Now we'll start the next question. Question number 2. Sorry, question number 3. Now starting. Question number 3, it's first part A. In question number 3, what is there? Find the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of coefficient of x cube. Here we need coefficients of x cube. This is the required thing in this part. And the first part here is x plus 4 raised to the power 4. X plus 4 raised to the power 4. Now we will expand this one. In the expansion, first of all, we will write in the product as index here is 4. In this part, index is 4. Then we will write here 5 terms. This will be the first, then plus, this is the second term, again plus, this is the third term, plus this is the fourth term, plus this is the fifth term. Now we'll place here the index from 4 and decrease gradually by 1. 4, here will be 3, here 2, here 1, and here will be 0. And on the second term, we will place here, we'll start from 0. 0, here index 1, here will be 2, here 3, and here will be 4. Now we'll place here the coefficients of these terms. As here index is 4, we will use the coefficient of the fourth row. In fourth row, the coefficients are, you can check here, this is the fourth row, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Here, first coefficient is 1, then 4, here 6, again 4, and 1. Now we'll simplify. After simplification, 4 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 into this one, 1. 1 into x raised to the power 4 will be x raised to the power 4. Plus here, this 4 into 4, 16, x cube, plus 4 square, 16. 16 6 are 96. X square. Here is 4 cube, 64. 64 4s are 256. X plus, in the last term, x raised to the power 0 is 1. 4 raised to the power 4 will be 256. This is the expansion of x plus 4 raised to the power 4. Now we'll write here the coefficient of x cube. Therefore, coefficient of x cube is equal to 16. This is the coefficient of x cube here. Now we'll start second part of this question. Last part we are doing now. Okay, last part here is h. In part h, 3 minus 1 divided by 2x raised to the power 4. 3 minus 1 divided by 2x whole power 4. Now we will expand. As here index is 4. Index is equal to 4. Then first of all, we will write both the terms of this binomial expression in product. That will be 3 into minus 1 divided by 2x. This is the first term, plus again 3 into minus 1 divided by 2 into x second term, plus again 3 into minus 1 divided by 2 into x third term, plus again 3 into minus 1 divided by 2 into x, fourth term, plus again 3 into minus 1 by 2 into x. This is the fifth term. Total 5 terms, one more than the index. Now we will write here the index will start from 4. 4, 3 raised to the power, we will decrease 1 in the successive term. Here will be 3, then here is 2, here 1, and here will be 0. Now exponent of b will start from 0, then 1, then here will be 2, here 3, and here 4. Now we'll write the coefficients. How we can write the coefficients? Coefficients, as in the previous part, on the first part, coefficients were same. As there is also index 4, then the coefficients will be same. Fourth row of the Pascal triangle. Fourth row of the Pascal triangle, here is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Same coefficients we will use here. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. There will be 1, 4, 6, 4, here will be 4, and here is 1. Now we'll simplify. How we can simplify this? Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. Here 3 raised to the power 4 will be 81. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. Here will be 81. Then in the next term, this minus into plus is minus. Here is 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. This 4 divided by 2 will be 2. 27 2s are 54. X. Then after that, here is 3 square. 3 square is 9. This 6 we can cancel with this 2 square 4. Okay, this will be like this. You can see here this 2 square is 4. Okay, from this 6 we can cancel. 3 2s are 6, and 1 2 cancel. Here is 3 square 9 divided by 2, and this minus cancel with square. Okay, here will be plus 9 divided by 2 x square, as this square will be on x as well. Then after that, 4 3s are 12. 12 divided by this 2 cube will be 8. As is minus 1 cube is minus 1. Here will be minus. And here 12 divided by 8, we can write 3 divided by 2. 3 4s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. And here x cube as it is, this x cube. Then 3 raised to the power 0 is 1. Then minus 1 raised to the power 4 is plus 1, divided by this 2 raised to the power 4, 16, and x as it is. It means plus, here will be 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 4 is 16, and x raised to the power 4 as it is. Now we'll check what is the coefficient of x cube. Therefore, coefficient of x cube is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. This is the coefficient of x cube. Now we'll start the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is 4 plus x raised to the power 5 plus 4 minus x raised to the power 5. 4 minus x raised to the power 5 is equal to a plus bx square plus cx raised to the power 4. A plus bx square plus cx raised to the power 4. Find the value of a and value of b and the value of c. You will find the value of a, b and c. A is the constant coefficient, b is the coefficient of x square, and c is the coefficient of x raised to the power 4. It means we will expand these two binomial expansion, then we'll simplify, and at the end the constant coefficient will be a, coefficient of x square will be b, and the coefficient of x raised to the power 4 will be c. Now we are expanding. Here 4 plus x raised to the power 5. Okay, first of all 4 raised to the power 5 here. Now I will do directly, okay, and x raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power 4 into x raised to the power 1 plus here will be 4 cube x square plus 4 square x cube plus 4 raised to the power 1 x raised to the power 4 plus 4 raised to the power 0 and x raised to the power 5. This is the expansion, but coefficients I did not write here. Now we'll check the coefficients of index 5, mean the fifth row in the Pascal triangle. Okay, in the Pascal triangle we can check the fifth row. What is coming here in the fifth row? Fifth row, this one, 1 5 10 10 5 1, 1 5 10 10 5 1. Here is 1 5 10 again 10, and here 5, then 1. This is the expansion of this first one. Now the second expansion will be here. Coefficients we can write in the beginning, 1 5 10 10 5 1. Here we are writing 1 5 plus 10 again 10, then 5, then 1. The first term we will write here, that will be 4 raised to the power 5 x raised to the power 0. 4 raised to the power 5 and minus x raised to the power 0. Then 4 raised to the power 4 and minus x raised to the power 1. Then 4 raised to the power 3, 4 cube, and minus x square. Then 4 square and minus x cube. Then here will be 4 raised to the power 1 and minus x raised to the power, here will be 4. Then 4 raised to the power 0 and minus x raised to the power 5. Power 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 in this way. Okay. Index of A will decrease gradually by 1 and index of B will increase gradually by 1. Now we'll check, we'll simplify these, how we can do the simplification. 4 raised to the power 5. 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64, 64 fours are 256, then 256 fours are 6 fours are 24. 4 raised to the power 5 is 1024 plus here is 4 raised to the power 4 is 256. 256 is 1280 x. Then in the third one, 4 square 16, 16 into 10 is 160 x cube. Then after that, 4 5s are 20 x raised to the power 4. Then here will be x raised to the power 5. As 4 raised to the power 0 is 1, 1 into x raised to the power 5 is x raised to the power 5. In the next one, here 4 raised to the power 5 is 1024. 1024. Then 4 raised to the power 4, 256. 256 into 5 is 1280. Plus into minus is minus. Here minus 1280 x. Then this one, 4 cube is 64. 64 into 10. 4 cube is 64. Here will be, as we missed this term here, this term here is missing. This one, the terms containing square. We can write this term here. This one here is 4 cube is 64. 64 into 10 is 640. 640 x square plus 640 x square. Now here is this one. 4 cube is 64. 64 into 10 is 640 plus 640 x square. Then here 4 square 16 into 10 is 160. This minus x cube will be minus here. Minus 160 x cube. Then after that 4 5s are 20 x raised to the power 4. 20x raised to the power 4. Then here is 4 raised to the power 0, 1 minus x raised to the power 5 will be minus x raised to the minus x raised to the power 5 will be here. Okay, or we can write here minus x raised to the power 5. Now we'll check which term we can cancel. As here is 1280x and minus 1280x. This and this can cancel. Then plus 160x cube and here minus 160x cube. Here x raised to the power 5 and here minus x raised to the power 5. Then remaining terms are 1024 plus 1024, 2048. Then after that 640x square plus 640x square 1280 x square 1280 x square. Then 20x raised to the power 4 plus this 20x power 4. 20 plus 20 is 40x raised to the power 4. Now you can see here in the question, constant coefficient is a, coefficient of x square is b, and the coefficient of x raised to the power 4 is c. It means a here is 2048, b is the coefficient of x square, that is 1280, and c is the coefficient of x raised to the power 4, that is 40.